This video is brought to you by FLOWER Magazine. See the description of this video to subscribe now and receive 6 copies each year for more beautiful interior design, flowers, and gardens.
I loved this space. I was really excited when they told me this was the space that I'd been given. My name is Ashley Whittaker of Ashley Whittaker Designed, and I designed the outdoor porch. I'm a native Floridian, so I spent a lot of my childhood and time now even living sort of indoor-outdoor living, and I thought this would be a wonderful way to create that type of room, whether it's the fireplace in the wintertime or the big Roman shades throughout the rest of the seasons. It's a 4-season space, and I really love that about that. I found this wonderful bird cage at auction several months ago, and I thought immediately this needs to come down to the Flower Showhouse in Atlanta with me. I think a lot of times in an indoor-outdoor space, the sun can be somewhat of a challenge because, as we all know, it moves throughout the day. So I incorporated large Roman shades that are operable, that can be brought up and brought down depending on where the sun is, how the weather's feeling. So it can be quite sunny in that room, it can be quite cozy in that room. There's lighting, so if it's not bright outside, you can read, you can play a game. I just really tried to incorporate all the elements that would be coming at you from a weather standpoint if you're in an outdoor room. The shades were really my inspiration for this room in creating a sort of awninged, almost tented room feeling with these big Roman shades. And the shade store helped me do that by incorporating this wonderful dental detail at the bottom and the big striped shades. It just all feels like a big tented room. My friends from Artifacts in Kent, Connecticut loaned me mirror and accessories and wonderful tables. Munder Skiles did the wicker furniture for me. Benison did some beautiful fabrics. L&N Carpet did this wonderful big geometric indoor-outdoor rug that they custom made for me. So I feel really blessed to work with such incredible artisans, and they are really who helped bring my work to life. The lacquer company made this incredible coffee table for us, and I knew it was going to be overscaled, and I felt great about that. And it came out of the box, and I was on a FaceTime call with my assistant, and she was saying, "Oh my God, it's huge. I don't know what to do about this. It's too big. I think we should send it back on the truck." And I looked at it over FaceTime and I said, "You know what? We're going to make it work." And honestly, it's my favorite thing in the space. And everybody stops me and asks me where we got the coffee table, who made it for us. So sometimes it's those things that you think, this is a catastrophe, ends up being the best thing. So always just keep plowing forward and making it work. This house is just stunning. From the minute I walked in, even during the construction phase, I said this is going to be a showstopper. And then seeing all the designers come together and create their own rooms, but I feel like there is a really beautiful connection between the rooms in this house, which is something you don't always see at show houses. And I think Margot Shaw did a wonderful job of choosing designers who really love pretty. So I have to say it's one of the prettiest show houses I've seen in a long, long time, and congratulations to Flower Magazine.